Hi! If you wanna know how I did this glowy makeup summer and my hijab tutorial, watch the full video! Hello everyone! Oh my god, you guys, it's been such a long time! Ooh, it's been such a long time, you guys. Where to start, how to start, what to say, I don't know. I really don't know. I think y'all know that I've been on exam and that literally took my life. Like, it's not just my social media, it took my life. I've been doing nothing for last month, like the end of May and now June. I don't know. I really don't know. I know there's a lot of influencers that are on exams and that are active on social media too. I don't know how they do that. I really don't know how they do that, because for me, if you are 100% for your exam, concentrate, you don't have time even like to take care of yourself. So imagine social media. Anyways, I am back. I'm still on the exam, by the way. I didn't finish yet, but I have some free time and I decided to do a makeup tutorial for you guys, a summer makeup tutorial slash glowy slash clean slash, you know, that girl makeup, and a hijab tutorial. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me how I do my hijab. It's actually really simple, so I'm gonna do a tutorial at the end of this video, so watch everything until the end. So, but first, coffee, of course. Coffee is life. Okay, let's start with the makeup. First thing first, you have to prep your skin. You have to prep your skin. If your skin is not well moisturized and glowy, your makeup gonna come out so bad, gray, cakey, just not that girl makeup. So first thing I'm gonna use is this water thermal from Aven. It's just to moisturize your face. Whew, I feel fresh. And tell me, how was your exam, you guys? I'm really curious to know about everyone's exam. How was it? Because mine was hard. It was hard. And then I use this serum from Anwa. It's a soothing serum. This one, you guys, I really love it and I'm so happy I have it. I think you've all seen this serum on TikTok going viral, and it's going viral for a reason. So after this serum, I'm gonna use moisturizer, a moisturizer. Even if you don't have all the products like serums and eye cream and everything, if you have a moisturizer, it's more than enough. And you don't have to buy like a expensive moisturizer. All moisturizers for me are good, so just moisturize enough. And for all of you who are asking what is my skin type, I developed a dry skin. I didn't have dry skin before. I had like oily skin. I don't know how this happened. I did explain it in my other videos. On all those products that I bought is so good for dry skin. And then of course the last step is sunscreen. I have actually two sunscreens. I have this one from La Roche-Posay and this one from Anwa. This from La Roche-Posay is for oily skin. This is so good if you have an oily skin, you guys. I use this for years. It controls the oil really well, and it's SPF 50. So, but now I have a dry skin, so I'm using the Anwa SPF 50 also, and it's for all skin type. And you can measure how much sunscreen you need here. Look, you have to fill up all of this, and boom, you have to use that much. I'm not gonna remind you, of course, how it is so important to wear sunscreen. You all know that, right? I hope so. And I really love this sunscreen because look how glowy it is. It's 10 minutes later. I let the skincare absorb to my skin, and now we're starting with makeup. So I'm going with the Huda Beauty concealer in shade Cotton Candy. I really love this concealer, but I really love it. I love Huda, I love the brand, I love everything. But I think this concealer, if you have a really dry skin, like dry under eye, I don't think this concealer is the good one for you. The NYX1 Serum Concealer is the best for you. Now, it's true that I have a dry skin, but I really love this concealer and I don't want to buy another one until this one is finished. If your concealer became so cakey and like so dry, the best way to apply your concealer is Beauty Blender and a fixing spray. You have to wet your beauty blender and then blend your concealer. Trust me, this is the solution. Try it and you'll see. So I'm gonna voila, perfect. I look so white right now. In summer, we love to have this bronzy look, so I'm going with contour, and this contour is from Primark Beauty. Oh my god, this contour is so creamy and so good. It's in shade Honey. Look how perfect it blends in, you guys. I feel like I'm using the Fenty Beauty contour. And now the main character of summer makeup is blush. I'm going with this blush from Hijab in shade Love Cake. I love this color. It's like this, but two dots here. And then to have this glowy effect, I go with a liquid highlighter. This is also from Hijab in shade Vanilla Frost, just to mix it with the blush. And now watch the magic. And then we blend. Ooh, we love the glow. No, this is the glow that I'm talking about. Perfect. Perfection. And then I'm going with my blush. I use this Jouer Cosmetics in shade Coquette. This blush is everything, you guys. Look, you have the light one and the dark one. So I'm going with a light one and just apply it on my eyelids. And then we're going with another palette. This palette is from Kiko and it's Smart palette. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going with this shade. As you can see, I use it every time. So I'm taking a little bit and I'm gonna come just apply it here in the corner to light up a little bit the look. Like this. Right. See the difference? You know, this eye is more bright and more pretty. Then I'm just taking the same brush and just mix the two eyeshadow together. Okay, this is perfect. And before doing the other eye, I go directly with mascara because otherwise they're gonna fall down. And also with the mascara, when you use mascara, if you want your lashes to stay like curly and pretty, you have to start with the start of lashes, not like, I don't know how to say it, like here at the start of your lashes, not at the end, because if you start directly like this, they're gonna fall down even if you curl them. So this is a technique to keep your lashes curled the whole day. See the difference? Okay, lashes are done. Now we're gonna set our face with powder. Now we don't gonna use so much powder because we want to keep this glow, of course. Now I'm gonna just go with the same beauty blender concealer and just blend if there is any creases. I'm gonna set my under eye with this Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in shade Pale 1. So I'm gonna take a little bit, and before I apply it directly to my eyes, I love doing this so I don't have so much powder on my face and it's not gonna dry. Then we're just gonna go where the concealer is. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go with my T-zone and just apply a little bit on my chin and my forehead. Perfect, my under eyes are set. We're not gonna touch the powder because we wanna keep the glow. Then I'm going with my NYX bronzer in shade medium, and we're gonna take a little bit, and I always dab my powders before going to my face so I don't ruin my makeup. And then I'm just gonna set the contour that I did. And then I'm going with my blush palette from Jouer Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take this shade. I love this shade, you guys, and just apply it on my cheeks. And then with a clean brush, just gonna try to mix everything together so we don't have like any demarcation. I don't know if it's correct, demarcation. Now for my nose, I don't know actually how to contour my nose, so I'm gonna go with this Pixie bronzer in shade Beach Glow. I'm gonna take un pinceau biseauté comme ça, and I'm gonna try to contour a little bit my nose, even like I don't know how to do it. And then I'm going just with my finger and try to blend it out. And actually with the same brush, I'm gonna go under eyes and just apply some bronzer, because I don't use mascara under eyes because it's just so ugly for me. So I'm using a bronzer, and this step, you guys, is my favorite step in makeup. Like, your eyes directly look snatched and so pretty. See? And now for the highlighter, I'm using this highlighter from Hijab in shade Vanilla. Just taking a little bit and just accentuer un peu le glow. Tout petit peu, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit in the eye corner. Now for the lips, I'm going with this lip tint from Wonderskin in shade Whimsical. I discovered it this year and I've been using it since January, and literally it's the best thing ever. So I'm just gonna wait 2 to 3 minutes. It depends how dark you want it. If you want it like more dark, you can let it sit for longer. I don't like it too dark, so I'm just gonna let it like for a minute or two. It's been 1 minute. I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay, this is the perfect shade that I like. I don't like it too dark, so it's perfect. And now lip liner. I'm using this NYX in shade Brown. All the time you guys asking me what lip liner I'm using. It's this one in shade Brown, and I'm just gonna tie a little bit. Okay. Just like that. And then I go with my Lancome lipstick in shade, it's number 20, in shade 28. Just go and dab it like this. Perfect. And then at the end, I love to take like a freckle pen. This one is from Hijab in shade 10, and I love to add like some beauty marks. So one here. Okay. One here. I'm going with this Baby lip oil. I love using lip oils instead of gloss in summer because my lips became so dry. So I'm just going like this. And I think the makeup is done. Oh my god. And yeah, I think this is the end of the glowy summer makeup. I'm gonna change and show you in the daylight. And here I am for the hijab tutorial. Okay, so first of all, I have this under cap. It's so easy, you guys. Okay, I have the under cap white. And this hijab is from Mirachi. Okay, so I take my hijab like this. One side is shorter than the other side. And then I take this side and I just flip it back, and then I go with nipangle comme ça. I take my under cap and my hijab together, and then we're gonna and then another one just to make sure that we don't see my hair. It's raining. Oh my goodness, aren't we supposed to be in summer? Ugh. Okay, just like this. And then the other side, I take it like this and oop, I flip it back too. Et après, je l'arrange comme je veux. Okay, I think this is perfect. And then I take another pen and just l'attacher ici avec mes vêtements. Comme ça tombe pas. And ta-da! And then after, I love wearing a earring. I just wear it in one side because the other side we don't see it. I don't wear it actually on my ear because otherwise we're gonna see my ear and it's just ugly. I just attach it to my hijab and just like this. And ta-da! That's it. And this is how it looks in the back. So pretty. I love doing my hijab like this. And this is also the makeup in daylight. And that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and help a little bit to do better your makeup summer and better your hijab maybe. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that I'm back, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. It helps me a lot, you guys, to keep motivated and to post more for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and see you in the next video. Bye.